Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to share this little quick unboxing video. Um, as you already know, this hit me hit. I decided to treat myself to some things that I've been wanting for a little while, and yeah, just enjoy this simple unboxing video. I just decided to get this game. I've been wanting Animal Crossing for a while now, and I've heard just great stuff about this game, so I just kind of wanted to try it out, and I can't wait to play it, honestly. From what I've seen on the reviews about this game, it's supposed to be like super relaxing, or like a little bit of adventurous, and I'm not sure what it's about, but I wanted to give it a shot. So I'm just gonna unwrap that real quick. I'm really excited because all these little characters just look so adorable, and you can build your own little island or your own little world. Anyway, let's just get to unboxing. As you can tell, I have this awesome Batman knife. I got this from my husband, but I'm using it now. So let's just go ahead and unbox this real quick because I don't want to damage the box. Should try to get the plastic off. Probably far from pleasing. This is far from satisfying. Sorry about that. So here it is. Okay, got the plastic off. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like they should make the plastic wrap that goes around them like the kind that you could just, you know, turn around, lift it up, and then take it out. I don't know why they don't do that. But yeah, here's the game. Let's open it up real quick, take a quick look. Obviously, it's not going to be something big. Honestly, I'm just kind of curious. Why do they have these big, like, folders they come in? Like, they look like movies, you know, like DVDs or something. Like, why do they have this case that's so huge? And then you have this little tiny actual chip that goes inside the game. I don't understand, but I guess I'm gonna go with it. They have these cute little characters, as you can see, that says Dodo Airlines. That is so cute. And these little raccoons, I'm not really familiar with the characters, so forgive me. But I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, that's awesome. So much information. It's such a tiny little chip. Awesome. So everything's right where it should be. I can't wait to play this later. Yes, so excited. Okay, on our next subject, we have, and it's gonna be a surprise until you guys see what's inside. Oh, this is far from what I imagined for it to be. Whatever, there's a hole in it. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna put this aside so I don't get hurt because I'm very clumsy. If you guys didn't know that fun fact about me, I'm very clumsy. And you guys guessed it, got myself some Velvet Caviar cases. I love how they always package these. I don't know why today this is bent, but it's okay. It's not like I'm gonna use this card, like I'm not gonna carry this with me all the time. I love that they always give giveaways. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but you know, if you guys ever purchased a case from them, they do a giveaway every month. So whenever you buy something, I guess it wins you an entry into their phone giveaway, and they do give out phones. And then here comes the awesome stickers that come with it. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these in my other videos. Yeah, these are the stickers. All right, let's get on to the cases today. Trying to rip this off. I don't know why it's so hard for me to get it out today. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. This is just the order form. Trash. Okay. The first one we have is the Velvet Caviar, and I think this is a rainbow leopard case. I don't know if it has a name on there. let me check. I'm just gonna read the order for you guys real quick. Okay, that one's called the Rainbow Cheetah iPhone 12 Pro Max case. And I just love the colors. Look at that. That's cute. Okay. And then we have, what is this one called? Oh, the Rose Quartz iPhone 12 Pro Max case. I've been hearing good stuff about this case. Honestly, at first glance, when I first saw this drop come out, I was just not really interested in the color. It just kind of seemed pretty basic to me. It's just pink. I like pink, that's why I got it. But then, you know, I started seeing them uploading pictures of how it looks like on the phone, and I thought it was really pretty. So I kind of wanted to give it a shot to see how it looks like on my phone. Right now, I just actually have a cheap phone case. I just have this cheap case that I got from AliExpress. It's supposed to be a dupe from the Apple cases, and it's kind of like a dusty pink, as you guys can see. So these are pretty good cases so far. They actually came out pretty well. I don't see any deformities or anything that's not supposed to be there. They're not loose fitting. They're pretty good, and they're on pretty tight on your phone. Not too tight, they're just perfect. Like you can tell though from the mold that they used. I don't know what type of phone case they used to like create the mold, but it's not exactly 100% authentic or perfect, as you can see. But I still love the case. It's pretty good. It fits like where it's supposed to be, although like I said, it's not perfect. As you can tell, it's not exactly aligned to the phone. But anyway, let's switch up the phone case. Let's take this out. Let's try the Rainbow Cheetah. I don't like taking it out like completely. I don't know why. So OCD. Okay. Here it is. Looks pretty good condition. It's brand new. I love these cases. I've mentioned before, they have like an 8-foot drop resistance. So if you guys put these on your phone, you're guaranteed that your phone's gonna be safe up to 8 feet. But honestly, I would say with these new iPhones, I don't think we even need these, because iPhones are pretty good. At least the 12 Pro Max that I've seen on YouTube videos, these are protected up to 10 feet without a case. This is just an added protection. So I definitely recommend these. This is how it comes. Isn't it cute? You got all different colors. This is more like a gray, white, maybe like a marbly color in the light. And then you have blue. And then there's yellow, pink, and it goes like dark pink, I guess, and then purple. That is adorable. It's like a rainbow case. I don't know about you guys, but I love color on my phone cases. I know I'm not the only phone case addict out there. I know there's more. I know. This is how it looks like on the inside. It's a clear case, so I guess on the sides you don't really get that color. It's just pretty clear, and it has their name on there. In case you guys were wondering what the letters say, it says Velvet Caviar if you can't see it clearly. And everything seems pretty good. The only problem that I have to say sometimes that I have with these cases is that they fit very tight. So it's like I have to bend them a little bit in order for them to fit perfectly and to remove them, because they're not that easy to remove, and I've been seeing that lately. Maybe they just got the mold wrong for the like the sizing of the phone. But let's see how they look. So I'm just gonna leave this here real quick while we unbox the second one. Okay, this one's pink, like I said. Oh, it's like a bright pink, you guys. It's cute. It's really cute. Wow. It kind of reminds me, obviously it's like a quartz case, like a rose quartz, obviously. but it reminds me like the inside of a shell, like a seashell. Yeah, it has that look, like kind of like a pearl, like a pearly look. I love it. Okay, let's take the plastic off. Oh, satisfying. And the light, as you can tell, it like kind of reflects even more. It has that like, that effect, that pearly effect in the light. It's giving me very much girly vibes. Like ocean vibes. I don't know how to describe that. Just very girly, as you can see. Let's take it out. All right, on the inside, ooh, I love it because all around, if you can see, it's like this clear pink color all through the case, even on the sides. It's kind of different from this one. Like this one, I feel like there's no color right here. Or maybe it's the reflection of the color of the case. It's a little more reflective. Actually, now that I'm seeing it clearly, yeah, it's the same. But it looks like it just blends in when you see it in this angle. And at the bottom, as you can see, all the holes are aligned. Here's the sides. These are the power buttons. I feel like the power buttons are a little too hard, but it's okay. It says, I think it says it right here. We got you covered. If buttons are stiff, stretch me here. So yeah, you're supposed to stretch the buttons out if you find that they're too stiff for your liking. It just depends on what you like. In order for them to soften up, I guess you just have to do this. But I like the feel of the case so far. It's very sturdy. So yeah, let's try these on. I kind of wanted to try this one first. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the phone case off of my phone. Okay, here's my phone naked. Yeah, it looks really pretty. Like, I love this phone without a case as it is. But let's go ahead and put this one on for the sake of the video. Okay, that's what I kind of thought was going to happen. That's what keeps happening with the other phone cases. I don't really like that they're super tight. So this is what I did. This is kind of like a quick hack, you guys. If you get some of these cases, you got to stretch them out. And no, it's not going to break the case. I would just say just bend a little bit until they fit, because it's so hard to take them out once they're on if you don't bend them. So that probably should be improved with time. I really hope that someone sees this, like Velvet Caviar. If you're seeing this video, please improve this on your phone cases. They are way too tight. So it's like, maybe it'd be better if we didn't have to bend them so much, because I don't want to like break the case. I want to be able to use this pretty case on my phone. Okay, let's try it on. Let's see if that helped. Oh. No, it's a little bit hard. Okay, I can already tell it's going to be super hard. I can already tell it's going to be super hard to take off. That's going to be super annoying. So that's what I'm talking about, you guys. Okay, on the phone, it looks beautiful. I love this color. It looks so pretty. I think because of the gold underneath, it just kind of adds to the yellow in the middle. Like this part right here just kind of blends in with this. But I think I love this case. It's so cute. It's such a vibe. Like colorful summer vibes. Okay, maybe I was ahead of time because we're in what, spring, winter? I don't know when spring starts. I think it's still winter, but I'm totally feeling the summer vibes, you guys. This is beautiful. And you have the front, and then here's the bottom. And everything's aligned where it's supposed to be. Perfect. And then I could see from the edges, the lip of the, I don't know if it's called a lip. Yeah. the lid is kind of heightened, so it's a little bit taller than the phone for that added protection in case you slam your phone on a flat surface. It's supposed to protect the screen, but I already have a screen protector, but it's actually really good if you don't have one on. And on the back, as you can tell, the cameras are protected as it's a little bit raised as well, as you can see closely. But yeah, here it is. It's really pretty. I love it. Like I said, it's a vibe, summer vibes for me. Let's try on the second case. So good news, I actually got it off faster than I thought. So the little tip that I showed you guys, I go ahead and bend a little bit. If you guys don't want that tight fit and you guys want to take it back off to put another case on, I suggest bending it a little bit, is it's so hard to take these off once they're on if you don't bend it. So that was really fast. I took it off like in less than 30 seconds. So let's try this one on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing because I already know these are going to fit really tightly. Okay. And as you can tell, like, it's not damaged. It's all right. It's perfect. It's like brand new. Okay, I'm just bending it slightly, you guys, like from the sides and from the top and bottom, just so that way I don't have a hard time taking these off, because I like to switch my phone cases, you know. I like to match my outfit sometimes with my phone cases or my watch. Whatever mood I'm in, I like to reflect that on my cases sometimes. Just depends on what vibe I am. If I feel a little extra, I will match everything. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's go ahead and try this one on. I put it to the side because it's happened to me before, so be careful, you guys. The phone has actually slipped out of my hand and landed on the floor somehow. Don't know how that happened. Don't ask me. I am the most clumsiest person you will ever meet. And I know my whole family knows that. And if they are seeing this video, yeah, they'll agree with you for sure. Okay, it's really hard to put that on. It's kind of annoying, to be honest. I wish it wasn't this hard to put on a case. Okay, the phone case is on. Just doing the little pushing of the phone, little by little. Ooh, this phone case is so pretty. Honestly, this is a surprise to me. Okay, so at first glance, I thought I was going to like the rainbow cheetah case, but now that it's on the phone, I gotta tell you, I'm taking that back. This phone case, it's so much prettier than I thought. It really is. It's pink. It's protective. It's girly. It's cute. Oh my God. This is a vibe. This is a different vibe. This is giving me like beach vibes. If this one was summer vibes, this is beach vibes, you guys. Oh, I highly recommend this case. This is so pretty. Oh my God. No wonder everybody has been posting these. Like, this is supposed to be their #1 hit now. I think it's their most popular case. It's cute. It's really cute. Very simple, very girly, very classy. Wow. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. These are the cases from Velvet Caviar that I got today. And of course, I'm also going to be playing this game today. The cutest game. I'm so excited, you guys, with my little buys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel for more. See you guys next time.